instead of continuing down this list and annotating all of them, what I'm going to do now is switch to a data set that's already been fully annotated using a very similar template. So if I look at this image, you can see these familiar values. In addition, this template has got a place for the annotator to put in the common name. So let's look now at how we can search data once they've been annotated, or search through image files in this case. So on the left, next to the data set of interest, you can see all of the attribute names that have been applied to this entire set of images. So if we're interested in looking at things that were tagged as being animals, we can come into the metadata attribute called kingdom. There are two values that we created, animal and plant. So the V stands for value, N stands for name. If we're just interested in looking at plants, we select that, and it filters the image set to display only the ones that have been tagged as being plants. Notice that the metadata template, or the metadata, are displayed in a hierarchical manner. So all the other attributes are still listed under plants, so I can further filter easily, for example, on color, if I want to see the plants that were tagged as being yellow. If I am working with a very, very large data set, I could create a data set out of this subset of images, and then just refer to it in the future, so I wouldn't have to filter down a long hierarchy again. Another advantage to note about the way this hierarchical metadata viewer is organized is that if instead I prefer to think about the images in a different way, for example, I want to look at the things that a collaborator named Bill has annotated. When I select that, I'll see just the images that he's been working on. And again, I could filter by color and select just the things that are red. So this gives the user an easy way to search through data without having to enter complex queries, although there's a way to do that too, if you'd like to. So you now know how to upload images, create a data set, share it, create a metadata template, share it, and use the metadata template to annotate images. You do have to annotate each image in a data set separately. And you also know how to search through an image data set using the metadata that you've applied to it. If you'd like more information about BisQue, you can find it at any of these links. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.